I hope so. Today we are going to learn how to trace and write the letters. Please have a look here. Can you see? These are letters. Before we do our activity, let me sing the song about letters. Are you ready to sing? Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Wow! Good song, kids! So now we are preparing our book, writing book, pencil, and our eraser. Let's start to do it now, kids. Kids, are you preparing the book already? The writing book is like this. And don't forget your pencil and eraser. Let's begin, kids. Alright, kids, now let's open your book. We will start to trace and write now. For the first one, we will write our name. Miss Puspa will write my name, Puspa. At home, please try to write your own name. And I am done. And now we will trace the first letter here. Do you see what letter is it? Very good. This is the letter A. We will start to trace from the big letter A, and then the small letter A. Let's trace it. We start from up side, go to the down, and from up side again, go to the right side. And in the middle, please make the straight line. Very good. And now we trace for the small letter A. We will start from up and make the curved line, go to the down side. And now we make the line from up to down. I have done for tracing. And beside, you please write big letter A. We start from here. Up to down, go to the left side. And now up to down, go to the right side. In the middle, please make the straight line like this. And now we will write the small letter A. Make the curved line, go to down, and then straight line from up to down. Can you see, kids? Very good. Now we will go to the letter. Yes, this is the letter B. We trace the big letter first. Start from up, go to the down side, and then curve line. One more curve line, bigger. And I have done for the big letter B. Now the small letter B. We trace again, kids. Up to down and curve line like this. And now we continue to write the B, big letter B here. Let's start, kids. Up to down, curve line, one, and one more, bigger, curve line. Okay, it's done. Now we write the small letter B. We make the line from up to down and the curve line, one more curve line in here. I have done for the B. Now we are going to this letter. Yes, this is the letter C. Let's start, kids. We make the big letter C first, curve line, and now we are going to the small letter C. Smaller than the big letter C. And now please here you write the letter C. We start the big letter first, curve line, and the small letter C. Alright, kid, for the rest, from the letter D and until letter N, Please you practice at home. I know you can do it, kids. Kids, we will continue to the next page. Please open page 2. And now we are going to write our name again. I will write my name, Puspa. And we will see the letter here. What letter do you see, kids? Yes, this is the letter A. Big letter A and small letter A. What picture do you see here? A is for An. And beside, A is for aeroplane. Wow, very good. Now we are going to trace the big letter A. Let's start, kids. Please start from up, go to down side. Up, go to down, and straight line in the middle. We will write 3 more letters, the big letter A. Let's count it. Up to down, and straight line in the middle. Up to the left side, go down, up to the right side, and straight line in the middle. We will write 1 more letter A. We start from up, go to down, and then up, go to down, and straight line in the middle, like this. I have done for the big letter A. Now we are going to trace the small letter of letter A. Let's start, kids. Make the curved lines and then up to down. We will write 3 more letters, the small letter A. Please write the curved line like this, and we start from up to down like this. Please write again the small letter A, make the curved line and line from up to down. 1 more, kids, make the curved line and then straight line from up to down. Please you continue the rest of the letter. Very good. Kids, how is your writing? Do you find it difficult? I'm sure you can do it. Please always practicing. Practice makes perfect. Have a good day, happy trying, and goodbye!